Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we are diving deep into the world of creativity with Canva. Whether you are a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of mastering Canva's features. From the main homepage to creating stunning designs, let us break it down and unleash your creativity. How to navigate Canva's main homepage. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the ins and outs of navigating Canva's main homepage, ensuring you can effortlessly access its wealth of design features. So, let's dive in. Step number 1. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Upon landing on Canva's homepage, take a moment to acquaint yourself with the user-friendly interface. The central element is the search bar, positioned at the top. This is your command center for unlocking a myriad of design possibilities. Step number 2. Define your creative vision. Think about what you want to create, whether it is a letter, a report, an eye-catching Instagram, or a sleek business card. Articulate your vision by typing your desired creation into the search bar. Canva's intuitive algorithms will swiftly respond by presenting you with a selection of templates tailored to your needs. Step number 3. Explore the template gallery. Don't rush. Explore the template gallery that Canva unfolds before you. Each template is a potential starting point for your creative journey. Scroll through the options and let your imagination run wild. Canva's main homepage is designed to be a playground for your creativity, offering a diverse array of templates that cater to different styles and purposes. Step number 4. Utilize filters and categories. To streamline your search, consider using filters and categories. Refine your results based on design type, industry, or style preferences. This helps you narrow down the options, making it easier to find the perfect template for your project. Step number 5. Embrace creative exploration. Remember, Canva's main homepage is more than just a search tool. It is an invitation to explore and experiment. Click on different templates, try out various styles, and envision how each design can be tailored to suit your unique needs. Step number 6. Save favorites for quick access. As you navigate through templates, take advantage of Canva's Save feature to bookmark your favorites. This ensures that you can easily access and revisit templates that resonate with your vision, saving you time in the creative process. By following these steps, you will not only navigate Canva's main homepage with confidence, but also set the stage for a seamless and inspired design journey. Now, buckle up and let your creativity soar. Happy designing! Exploring design creation methods. Now that you have mastered the art of navigating Canva's main homepage, let us delve into the exciting realm of design creation. This step is crucial as it introduces you to primary methods that Canva offers for crafting your visual masterpieces. Step number 1. The power of the search bar. The search bar is not just a tool. It is a portal to a world of creative possibilities. Utilize it to its full potential by typing in keywords related to your project, whether it is a social media post, a business card, or a presentation. Witness the magic unfold as Canva intuitively generates a plethora of templates tailored to your search query. Feel free to experiment with different keywords and discover how Canva interprets your creative vision. It is not just about finding a template, it is about exploring the diversity of options Canva has to offer. Step number 2. Create a design. Your gateway to infinite creativity. Beyond the search bar, Canva beckons you to create a design, opening the door to limitless possibilities. Here, you have the freedom to choose from an extensive array of templates tailored to your various dimensions and purposes. The options are not limited to pre-existing templates. You can also import photos for a personalized touch or kickstart your creativity with blank canvas. Feel like a design visionary? Select Create a Design and embark on a journey where your imagination sets the limits. Choose the dimensions, pick a layout, and watch as Canva crafts a blank canvas ready for your creative strokes. Step 3. Import, customize, create. Whether you are selecting a template or starting from scratch, Canva gives you the flexibility to import images and customize your designs further. The platform seamlessly integrates with your personal files, allowing you to bring your unique touch to every project. Want to make a visual impact with a personalized touch? Import your favorite photos, graphics, or logos, and watch as your design evolves into a true reflection of your style. Step number 4. Blank canvas brilliance. For those who crave the thrill of starting with a blank canvas, Canva's Create a Design option allows you to define every element from scratch. Choose your dimensions, experiment with layouts, and let your creativity run wild. This method is perfect for those who want complete control over their design process. By exploring both the search bar and the Create a Design option, you are not just crafting designs, you are orchestrating a symphony of creativity. In the next steps, we will dive deeper into the editor's tools to refine and polish your creations. So, gear up and get ready to elevate your design game. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to master Canva's feature, a step-by-step design tutorial for beginners part 2. Thank you for watching, and I will see you onto the next one.